Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Scoop, Muck and Dizzy and Rolly too. Lofty and Wendy join the crew. Bob and the gang have so much fun. Working together, they get the job done. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Pilchard and Bird, Travis and Spud, playing together like good friends should. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder.
We're gonna find the golden hammer today, Spud. I can feel it.
And then we can give it to Bob as a surprise.
The golden hammer, hidden in Fixham hundreds of years ago by Brickbeard the pirate.
No one will ever find me golden hammer. Ha ha! We won't find it if we can't work out this clue that Brickbeard left.
Yeah, we need to find something in Fixham that looks like this. Where are you all going, Bob?
To the lighthouse, Scrambler. The harbour master wants it fixed. Let's go!
Hey, maybe the clue matches something at the lighthouse.
Yes. Let's look there first.
Hello, Bob. We're off to harvest the potatoes. Would you like some? Yes, please, Farmer Pickles.
We'll drop some off at the yard then.
Right, team. There's lots to do today.
I'll be doing all the biggest jobs, as usual.
If you say so, Scoop. Let's look at the plans. First, clear this overgrown path. Then replace the door and windows and paint the front. Last of all, we'll fix the big light at the top.
It needs a lot of work.
Yes, Dizzy. It hasn't been used since Brickbeard's time.
Brickbeard the pirate?
Yes, he was supposed to be the last person to ever climb up inside.
Maybe the golden hammer is here.
It's Splasher.
Hi, everybody.
What are you doing here?
I've come to help with anything big that needs doing.
What? But the big jobs are my jobs. I always do them.
Come on, team. Let's get started.
Can we build it?
Yes, we can!
Yeah, I think so.
Can someone move this pile, please?
Yeah, I'll help, Rolly.
Yeah, I'll do that, Splasher. It's a big job, and I do all the big jobs around here.
What was that noise?
Sounded like chains. Like Brickbeard's anchor chain.
Maybe he's come back for his golden hammer.
Oh, no. We better find it quick.
Ha! See, Bob? These big jobs are easy. I love them.
We've still got a lot to do, Scoop. Can you move this pile over there?
Yeah, no prob, Bob.
I'll help, Skip.
No thanks, Splasher. This is a big job, and I do all the big jobs around here. Oh, I can't see. Whoa!
Scoop, are you okay?
I'm fine. I suppose I tried to lift too much.
Don't worry. I'll get you out.
Let Splasher help next time, Scoop.
But I don't want Splasher to do my big jobs.
Right, we need to clear the rubbish and reuse what we can. Then repair the broken windows. Come on, team. Let's get on with it. Ready for the new panes of glass. Anyone free?
I'll help, Bob.
Oh, no. That looks like a big job. I do all the big jobs. Oh! I've broken the glass. I'm so sorry, Bob. I went too fast.
You have to be careful around glass, Scoop. But don't worry, I've got some spare.
Maybe you're tired from working so hard, Scoop.
No, I'm really strong and I can do more big jobs.
OK. Can you collect some cement from the yard then?
No prob, Bob.
And Splasher, can you collect some paint from the shop?
Of course. I'll be back soon, and then I'll help you with the last jobs, Bob.
Oh, no. I don't want Splasher doing my last big jobs.
See you later, alligator.
Ooh, Splasher's gonna get back before me. I have to go faster.
That's the last sack of potatoes unloaded.
I hope Bob's hungry.
Aha! These must be the sacks of cement. I've got to hurry. I've got to get back before Splasher, or he'll do one of my big jobs. I've done it. I'm back first. Oh, oh! I'm skidding! Whoa! I can't stop!
Brickbeard!
No, it's Scoop, and he's gonna crash!
Oh!
Are you okay? I'm so sorry.
There. I'm fine, but...
Here's your paint, Bob. Wow, what are all these potatoes for?
Good question.
Oh, no. I must have collected the wrong bags. I was in a hurry.
Why?
Because I wanted to get back first so Splasher didn't do all my big jobs.
But Scoop, there are so many big jobs to do.
I didn't mean to upset you, Scoop. I just wanted to help.
Hey, Splasher, wait! I've been really silly. Maybe we could share some of the big jobs.
Share?
Yeah, if I clear up the potatoes, then you can do the other big job, collecting the cement.
Really, Scoop? You want me to do one of your big jobs?
Of course! Come on!
Oh, it looks wonderful, Bob.
All we need to do now is get that light working.
Look, there's someone in the lighthouse. It's Brickbeard the pirate.
Hello, only me.
The light works!
But the glass is filthy. Come on, Bob.
Hey, there's that sound again. And there's something here. Wow, it's an old well.
Scrambler, look, the clue.
It's a bucket on a chain. This is it. It wasn't Brickbeard's chain we heard clanking. It was this chain.
And look, another red box.
The golden hammer.
Oh, no, it's another clue. It's just a box. How's that going to help us find the golden hammer?
I don't know, Spud, but we've got to keep looking until we find that golden hammer